Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook appetizing Xiang tofu recipe. Hope you like it. This recipe is appetizing and delicious. Save this recipe so you may refer back when you need it. Xiang tofu. Ingredients: tofu, black fungus, ginger, carrot. Wash black fungus and set aside. Black fungus remove stem and shredded. Peel carrot. Shredded carrot. Chopped ginger. Tofu set aside. Seasoning sauce. 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon black vinegar, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Mix with 2 tablespoons water. Stir-fry chopped ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add shredded carrot and black fungus. Pour seasoning sauce. Pour 1 small bowl water and put into boil. Add tofu and break tofu into small pieces with spatula. Tofu is done when gravy is reduced. Plate and let's eat. Optional to sprinkle spring onion on top. This dish tastes sourly and it's appetizing. The tofu is tender and not greasy, and the sauce is rich and delicious. Optional to sprinkle pepper powder while cooking. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Black fungus can reduce blood viscosity, soften blood vessels, make blood flow smoothly, and reduce the occurrence of cardiovascular disease. Black fungus also has a strong absorption effect. Regular consumption is conducive to the timely excretion of waste produced in the body. Regular consumption of black fungus can clean the digestive tract and the stomach and intestines. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.